Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm starting off with a fresh face. Well, technically it's not a fresh face, a fresh bead. Okay, there we go. I'm actually gonna do a review, and actually I'm gonna do this review. It's gonna be a little something special on Kylie Cosmetics. I will be basically going over, it's called the Shimmer Eye Glaze. So I did get the 4-pack. It's a bundle. It comes with 4. I believe the price of it was $65. Now to me that was really good because each one I believe was about $24 a piece. Now when you get 4 of them, and I did want 3 of them, it just made more sense to go ahead and purchase the bundle. Now one of them I feel like I have something similar to it, but I went ahead and I purchased it anyways because it was in the bundle. Now the packaging looks just like this. So as you can see, it comes like this. Eye glaze is basically almost kind of like a glitter substance that's a little bit smoother for your eyes, of course. I mean, you can use it for other things, but most of the time it's used for eyeshadow. So came in this little cute little box. Now I applaud Kylie because her boxing is amazing. Like, it's so pretty. Like, sis, she's spending a coin or two. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but like right in the inside, it kind of got like a small glaze, but it's with the like the drip that's always on Kylie Cosmetics. So for example, like I got this lipstick, how that drip is kind of like, it look like it's dripping. It's right here. That's what the shiny part is on the box. But I mean, I just had to rave about the boxing because the boxing here is really nice. She made sure they put actual stuffing, or I mean whatever you want to call it, inside the box. That way, in case, you know, people are very rough with your makeup, because when I tell you I've received makeup that has been broken and I have been devastated, because then you have to wait to get your product again, and it's not fun. It's really not fun. As you know, I feel like I've used this in a tutorial before where I've used the Marc Jacobs eye glaze. Now with these were very expensive. They were probably about $32 a piece, and I bought them both at separate times. I was just like, sis, I ain't made of money like that. But I love them. Like the feel for them was amazing, and I've been using this for almost a year. We're going to be testing the waters with Marc Jacobs eye glaze. I mean Marc Jacobs sequins and Kylie's eye glaze. I'm gonna take this other one. This one is called Gleam Girl. I thought this was really pretty as well. So it looks like that. So it's like a silvery kind of look, and it goes on like that. These little things that say do not discard. Now I'm guessing this is one of the reasons that kind of keep your sequins or your shimmer from basically drying itself out, because like I said, these are very moist. The Marc Jacobs ones are very, very moist. So they go on and glide on just like butter. Kid you not. This is brown sugar. Brown sugar, babe. I get high on your love. I hope that's the words. But this was so pretty. Like, this one was the one that really sent me over the edge. I had to have it. Like, look at it. So it's pretty much built the same way as Marc Jacobs. Same packaging. Now as far as how much product you get in each, this one you get 0.12 ounces, and with Marc Jacobs, honey, they have me set. Oh no, it's about the same. So I'm guessing the packaging, yeah, crazy. So this is 1.2 and this is 1.2, but this looks like it's a lot of product, and this looks like it's nothing compared to this. So these are pretty buttery. I like. I'm excited, y'all. I'm not even playing. Oh, this is my natural reaction. I'm so serious. I kind of dipped in them a little bit, but I didn't really get the feel for them because I wanted them to be like really natural when you see it against my brown skin. Now, I really feel like the camera's not really doing this any justice because it has like purple and green flakes in it, and like when you move it, it's just like it's so pretty. It is pretty. I'm not even playing. So now we're gonna go to the other one. This is one that I wanted as well. This was the burnt sienna. So burnt is pretty. You can't. I'm about to fuck up the game with this. I'm about to do it. Okay. So it looks like this on your finger. I do feel like with Marc Jacobs, like say if I wanted to dip my finger in it, these aren't as wide as like, they're not really wide enough for me to like really dig out a lot of product. I mean, I feel like I can still dig it out. I still get what I want out, but I can comfortably take it out of the Marc Jacobs. So with my nails, it's kind of makes it a little bit uncomfortable, but I mean, there ain't nothing you can't work around. None. And it has like goldish flakes, and I think, to me, I think she kind of did the same. This one has gold flakes. I think it has like a hint of the green flakes, but not a lot. So, but I mostly do see a little gold flake, but it's really red. So I think more so the pigment is red and the flakes are gold, but it's really pretty. More pie, please. That's so cute. I think things like that, like when you name your products like goofy stuff like that, or you know, I don't know, I really want to know like where her idea for More Pie Please came from. Thought that was super cute. But More Pie Please is actually the one that I did not want. And the reason why is because I feel like I have one like this. So look, it's so pretty though. I'm gonna put it right next to the other one. Yeah, I think it just got more of a shimmer, a little more shimmer than the Marc Jacobs Gleam Girl. So this one right here is More Pie Please, and this one is Gleam Girl. So actually I think they're really about the same. Coffee Bean was cute. I mean, I wasn't crazy about it, but I was like, it can be utilized though. It can be used. Like, it's really pretty. I actually think these are like maybe like blue flakes, or of a blue looking color. Like, you can't really tell here, but like, see how I move it? I really think it's like a blue color. So it's really pretty. Take some of that. So you see what that looks like? That's really, really pretty. And I think this would look so pretty on a, let me see. I feel like that color would look so amazing on like a smoky eye. On a black smoky eye. This is gonna be bomb. I don't use the products. Honey, it was time. I will later do a review on my Jackie Aina palette. Like, I have been really like testing the waters with this, and I really do love it. I'm going to go in with Credit. Tap a cute little brush right on in Credit. Now, Credit is a dark brown looking color. So, and I'm going to just kind of put that right in my crease area. So pretty. I think I've never used it on camera, so that's probably what it is. So, yeah, this is pretty. But anyways, ooh. So to me, this color here, Credit, is almost kind of like a shimmers. I know you're like, why would I want a shimmer? I promise you that is the best look that you will find and that you can do as far as eyeshadow goes without doing much of nothing. Like, you could literally pop some color, a dark crease color in your crease like this, and you could just take your colors, dip your finger in, pat, 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 pat. Do you some eyeliner. You don't even have to do the eyeliner if you don't want to, but just to make it really pop, if you're really in a rush, these are gonna come in handy. I did that while I was in Vegas with Pinker. When I say she made this melanin skin friendly, she did. Because pink products just do not normally show on me, and honey, they doing more than showing up. They showing up and showing out. That's all I'm saying. I'm gonna dab this right into brown sugar, just like that. She is ready. Look at that. Can y'all see that? She is ready. Now I'm going to use the same brush. And I'm going to take the Burnt Sienna. Tap that. Now, what I do like about the shimmers is that when you toggle between each color, the colors don't mix, if that makes sense. So if you can see, like, I could literally just throw a liner on this and be done. And they'd be like, oh my God, your eyes are just so magical. Like, they're just so pretty. But I'm not done. You just wait. So we're going to go back into the Jackie Aina palette. And we're going to go back into Credit. And we're going to tap that in on the end. Kind of make that a little bit darker. And use More Pie Please in the tear duct of my eye. I'm so excited. This is cute. Like, can you see it? Look at my eyes. Can you see? Honey, Kylie. Hey, friend. See, without lashes, this is a really cute, sultry look. And I think I would wear this. I probably would wear this to work. I don't know. Would I? Let me look. I think I would wear this to work. This, to me, without the lashes, it's not too bold. It's fun. I'm cute. You sitting in a cubicle, depending on what your job doing. But either way, you got your sultry eyes going on. Like, you got okay, guys. So this is the final look, honey. This is what you get. Really, really love how they came out. Like, there is Like, these are the exact same products, just sold by 2 different people. So it's very possible that these people could have different manufacturers, but they have the same, and I mean the same formula. And to me, it was very workable. Even I told you I got a little bit right here. It's not that noticeable. I mean, you have just like little specks of sparkle, things like that, but overall, honey, that was worth the purchase. I think so, because guess what, you get to use it forever. If you're a makeup artist, if you aspiring to be a makeup artist, honey, that's a look. That's how you get a look right there. If you need to get somebody done in 30 minutes, you can't spend all that time on them eyes trying to do the most, trying to get them looking like, you know, who knows. Like, you can't give them the Cardi B eyes, because we ain't got enough time in the day. Cardi B do. She ain't got nothing else to do. Period. Period, poo. You need this right here. From my Jackie Aina palette, I just use Pinker on my bottom lash line, as well as I use the NYX White Smoke to line my lash line as well. So it's like a white purple looking color. My lips off with a brown lip liner from Morphe, and this is a lip pencil by Morphe, and it's called Bar. I'm normally using always a brown pencil to line my lips. So I either have this or I have my MAC pencil. So this is what you get. Most of the time it's always a brown lip liner though. And I use the Fenty Uncuffed lipstick. And lastly, I just covered it in gloss. Now this is a really cheap gloss. I have other glosses, but this was the nearest to me, so I used it. But I'm not mad at it either. Who mad? You mad? We'll wait. But nah, this is $1, and you can get it from Miss A. I want to thank you guys again for coming to my channel, just giving me your time of the day, because we know you didn't have to, but you did. Thank you. I appreciate you. But also, like, comment, and subscribe to my page. Subscribe. Tell your cousin. Tell your sister. Tell your grandma. Tell your auntie. Tell them all. Give it to the whole family. Tell them bring their own. That's why I couldn't cuss, because the granny and the auntie's coming. So, thank you. Y'all have a nice day. Yes.